Hello sunshine seekers, my name is Nikima and we are SpainHomes. Today I am in Villajoyosa, a beautiful joyous town that is coastal and located in the province of Alicante and on the Costa Blanca. Today I'm going to be showing you newly built touristic apartments. These apartments feature 2 and 3 bedrooms, are located on the ground floor with their own front garden and are on plots from 80 to 107 square metres. So from this beautiful sun-kissed location, looking at the crystal sparkling Mediterranean Sea, let's begin the tour. As you come in through the pedestrian entrance off street level, you are coming into the ground floor apartment that comes with its own private, artificially lawned garden of approximately 20 square metres. You do also have a pathway that leads you directly to the front door of the property, and this also would be the garden space that you would appreciate being able to use if you have a ground floor model. So as I'm now going to take you into the home, we're going into the living area first through the entry, and it brings you into a warm, inviting and also rather relaxing, open living, dining room and kitchen. Altogether the space offers 28 square metres with a ceiling height of 2.9 metres in the living room and 2.5 metres distributed throughout the rest of the level. As you can see, the first space that you're coming into is the living area, which is intimate and also warm and welcoming, but then it does also lead you directly towards the dining space. You do have patio doors that you can open on one side to enable the integration between the living space and also the outside garden. Within the dining space, you have a table here that is set to dine 6, and it also connects to your kitchen area. In this design, what they have done is decided to go for an L-shaped style kitchen, but in terms of giving you maximum functionality and comfort, it does do that, providing you with cabinetry above and below. On this side, you have your kitchen sink, cabinetry that also includes the dishwasher. On this side, you have the oven below and your electric cooking hob with your extractor. And then on this side, in amongst the cabinetry, you also have the microwave. The hidden built-in on this side would be your refrigerator and your freezer. So what you'll find is that the appliances do come automatically with the apartment, and the actual interior design is very similar to this, with you having a few things that you can change for style and also for preference. Taking you now through the kitchen space, it also gives you easy access to a very spacious laundry room, and this is where you would also find the aerothermic boiler. Taking you now from the laundry room, you're coming into the hall where it leads to the bedroom quarters. And before we get to that, you do also have a main bathroom that is fully equipped. As we go along the hall, I'm going to take you to the first bedroom. This bedroom is light and bright. It is quite a spacious bedroom actually, which you will find for touristic purposes is perfect for a family. You have a space that offers you 10 square metres. On one side you have a wall of integrated wardrobes, and on the other you also have a large window letting in plenty of natural sunlight. Across the hall, you will find that this particular model featuring 2 bedrooms, this is the second bedroom and also the primary suite. The primary is 16 square meters. Again, the ceiling height throughout the rooms is 2.5 meters. What they've done is they've also maximized functionality by giving you 2 dressing closets on either side of the room. You also have a very large window to let in natural sunlight, and then it's really nice how it has the balance and takes you through this doorway that leads to your ensuite bathroom. So what I like about this particular bathroom is the aesthetic with the porcelain stone finishes that they decided to go for, changing it up with the colour palette quite nicely. Located just a few minutes away from the apartments we showed you, this is a beautiful site. Overlooking the sparkling Mediterranean Sea, we are on an architectural, interesting historical monument. Here behind me you can see this interesting tower, and not too far away from it you will also find the remains of an old home that used to belong to head of the Republican Party José Esqueda back in 1910. The actual tower itself was built in the late 1900s, but the actual home itself was built in 1910, and he resided there also until 1922. Also, being very heavily influenced by psychiatry, that was actually his profession when he was alive, the actual architectural design of the home was rather interesting, being that it was a combination of different styles. Christian Gothic on the front, and Arabic style on the back with the Star of David. It is currently a ruin, and the council are looking to actually do a development project of this particular building. But as you can see, they have restored ever so beautifully what was the tower, with references of masonry. Well, for those that like history and also exploring Villajoyosa's past, this could be a great place to start. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is approximately €500 per year. There is a small community fee that will be confirmed at a later date, and the refuse is €180 per year. As you can see, this was a 2-bedroom ground floor model that I showed you today, comprising of in total 8 apartments. They are all on the ground floor, and they do have 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom models that are currently for sale. These properties, however, are with a touristic licence and were built for that purpose, giving the owner up to 120 days freedom to use the apartment at their will, and also the opportunity to rent it for the rest of the year when they aren't here. I like the fact that this property comes with great specifications. So you have your kitchen appliances included along with your white goods. Also, air conditioning is also included. What is yet to actually be included would be, let's say, your furniture and decoration, which you can do yourself. Because of the fact that it is actually with a touristic license, there is actually other information that you do need to check out just to make sure that this actually is the right fit for you and your family. But the finer details you can find on our website, which is SpainHomes.estate. What can I say to you about the area? Villajoyosa is a fantastic, wonderful residential community, offering more and more variety, with lots of expatriates coming to call this particular part of Spain their home. It's also really wonderful for those that are touristic and also like to go on holiday too, with various supermarkets, shops, restaurants, bars very, very short distance away, along with even other well-established accommodational needs like camping, as well as recreational sports like golf, and other great towns to explore on your doorstep. No wonder people actually like this location more and more. Alicante city and its airport is within 40 minutes drive. So if you like this property and you'd like to know more, don't forget to also check it out on the website and see what you'd like to find out. Also hit like and subscribe. My name is Nikima. It was great to see you again, and no doubt I'll see you in the sun next time. Hasta pronto.